Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, my name is Sushri Das and I am here today to guide you regarding the importance of geographical indication tags in India. So let's begin. The world in which we live is evolving at a rapid pace, making it difficult to determine with certainty the history and origin of a specific meal, a piece of clothing, an exquisite artifact, or a handmade item. Unfortunately, some people do not hesitate to openly and unethically copy and pass those goods and items from another region to exploit their popularity and the quality of such goods and items. The GI tag is the abbreviation given for geographical indication tags. The law governing the geographical indication tag came into force on 15 September 2003. The first ever GI tag in India was given to Darjeeling Tea, which was given in the year of 2004. Recently, the government of India has allotted the geographical indication tag to Kashmiri saffrons and Manipuri black rice. What are the geographical indication tags in India? The GI tag is regarded as a certification that states if a product was made using a conventional techniques or specifies a particular attributes that confer the reputation depending upon the geographic origins. This makes it possible for the popular product name to be protected from being taken by any authority other than the authorized users. Although the idea of geographic indication has been around for centuries, the French were the first to create the formal system and to categorize and recognize various products and foods that had unique features and were exclusively produced in or linked with certain location. They created a system called Appellations of Origin controlee, which is known for appellations of origin and is still in use, which basically states that the product comes from a certain geographic region. It possesses a specific personality, reputation, and unique characteristics which inspires confidence and honesty. The World Intellectual Property Organization (WIPO) defines the geographical indication as distinguished sign that has particular provenance and highlights the characteristics or traits of the good it possesses. The geographical indication tags make sure that those who have registered as authorized users are permitted to use the well-known brand name. The term geographical indications are defined under Article 22, Clause 1 of World Trade Organization Agreement on Trade-Related Aspects for Intellectual Property Rights, which is shortly known as TRIPS, which states that the indication which identify a good as originating in the territory of a member or a region or a locality in that territory where given quality, reputation or characteristics of the good is essentially attributable to its geographic origin. Under Article 1, Clause 2 and Article 10 of the Paris Convention of the Protection of Industrial Property 1883, the framework covers commercial names, service marks, industrial designs, geographical identifiers, and so on and so forth. The Madrid Agreement for Repression of False and Deceptive Indications of Source of Goods 1891 also talks about the geographical indication. The concept of GI is also covered under the Agreement on Trade-Related Aspects of Intellectual Property Rights under Article 22 and Article 24. Now let's discuss the importance of geographical indication tags. It boosts export in the economy, promotes the economic prosperity of producers of the geographical indication tag goods by enhancing their demand in national and international markets. It helps in the growth and economic wealth. It helps consumers to get the quality products of desired rates and assures the authenticity. It increases the trade and tourism. It prevents authorized use of GI tags of products by others. It prohibits malpractice and avoids sale of low quality products in the market. Now, let's focus a bit about the legislations that govern the geographical indication tags in India. There are three approaches that have been adopted to protect GI tags around the world. Firstly is focus on business practices consisting of administrative product approval schemes. Second is usage of certification marks. And third is the special regimes protection, which is short for sui generis systems. Regarding the geographical indication in India, India has established the sui generis system. The structure mandated by the Geographical Indication Goods Registration and Protection Rules 2002, which was enacted under the Geographical Indication of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999. The Section 2 Clause E of the rules defines the term geographical indication. Any producer, whether an individual or a group of people, an organization or a legal entity, may apply for a GI tag. The application must be submitted to the relevant authorities in the correct format with the appropriate charge. The geographical indication tag is only valid for 10 years, but it can be periodically renewed for an additional 10 years through each subsequent renewals. The Indian government estimates that approximately 432 GI tags have been assigned to various goods. Finally, let's discuss the grant of geographical indication tag. The Geographical Indications of Good Registration and Protection Act 1999 governs the granting of GI tag. Any company or producer of commodities is eligible to apply for GI tag. The application must specify the kind of goods to which it will apply, as well as the GI map of the territory or region in the nation where the goods are manufactured. It must be presented with a certain fee and the appropriate format along with the signature. Authorities will evaluate and examine the application. A product with a GI tag prohibits unauthorized usage of goods and increases financial gain for producers by exporting the product. The price of a GI product rises on the international market as exporting of the product expands. According to Section 21 of the GI Act, registration grants the right to launch a lawsuit in case of any infringement. According to Section 23, there is a prima facie proof that the ownership and the validity of GI. According to the Act, the Registrar of Geographical Indications is the Controller General of the Patents, Designs and Trademark under the Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. The Geographical Indication Registry is administered and supervised by the Controller General. The GI tag primarily features the uniqueness which guards against any form of third-party misuse. So that concludes our video on the importance of geographical indication tags in India. For more such information and queries that you may have, contact Corpbiz with the details provided below. At Corpbiz, we have an excellent team of experts who can assist you as per your legal queries. You can also comment down below any of the questions that you may have. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.